Hi, I'm Casa Vega of Casa Vega Restaurant, and today I'm going to show you how to make pulled pork nachos. So first we're going to start with a large roasting pan, and we're going to add a layer of tortilla chips. You want to buy the best quality tortilla chips you can find, or even better yet, go to your local Mexican restaurant and ask if you can buy a bag there. So add our chips. Now we're gonna add our pulled pork. So you just wanna make sure it gets nice and spreaded evenly. And when you've got a big chunk, just tear it apart with your hands. So easy. Great. To this, we're gonna add a handful of shredded cheddar cheese. And a handful of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And then we're gonna make another layer. So we'll look back for more chips. Spread it on. What's nice is that we're layering the cheese inside. So when you get to the bottom of the nachos, you still have cheese on your tortillas. Great. To this, we're gonna add, I'm just gonna do it with my hands, our pulled pork. Some weeks I just make a really big 4-pound of pulled pork and I make pulled pork sandwiches, and then I make pulled pork nachos. There's so much you can do with it. All right. A little more, and then we're gonna layer it again with a handful of shredded cheddar cheese. And another handful of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Make sure and get the sides. And we're gonna top it with one more layer of tortilla chips. And another handful, because you can never have too much cheese on your nachos, of shredded cheddar cheese. And we have another one of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. We'll just do the whole bowl. In there. And then we are gonna top it with some queso cheese sauce, which I made really easily with just about 3 cups of cheddar cheese, you know, a little less than a cup of evaporated milk, a couple of eggs and salt, but you can go ahead and buy it, you know, just jarred at the grocery store, all the same. Heat it up and it'll be just as good. So we'll pour it on top. Perfect. Now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, and it will look like this. Now to this, I've garnished it with some chopped cilantro. I've added some guacamole and sour cream, and of course, jalapenos. So this is what your pulled pork nachos would look like. I'm Casa Vega. Thanks for watching and have a great day.